Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me today. For those of you who are new here, on this channel we share helpful tutorials and how-to guides. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to create Douyin account. So if you want to know how to do it, just keep on watching. So I am so I am sorry if I am pronouncing Douyin wrong, okay? But let's proceed with the tutorial. So first of all, what you need to do is to download the Douyin app. So first, what you want to do is to download the Douyin app if you haven't already. Okay? So if you want to know how to do it or how to download this app, just go ahead and comment on the comment section down below so that I can create a different video for that. So by the way, if you have an Android phone, you can try and download it through Chinese app stores like Huawei App Store, Xiaomi App Store, OnePlus App Store, and etc. If you can't find the app through this method, then just go ahead and find any trusted source. Okay? Step 2 is to open the Douyin app. The Douyin app, after installing, on your phone, launch the app. When opening the app for the first time, a pop-up will appear with a prompt written in a Chinese characters. This is just for privacy policies. Once accepted, Douyin will ask you to allow access to your phone info such as location, photos, videos, contacts, and etc. Okay? And now what you need to do is to enter your phone number. So enter your phone number. This is a tricky part as Douyin usually only allows phone numbers from mainland China. Do this part simply enter your phone number with the proper country code. Next, wait for a text message with the verification code and input it back into the app. There will also be instances that the app would detect your phone number automatically. But again, this is mainly a feature found in Chinese phone users. And lastly, accept user agreement. Finally, click on the pink button or the red button to log into Douyin. Still, the automatic detection won't work most of the time. Okay, so this is the pink or red button that I am saying. Okay, and that is how you create your Douyin account. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one, and have a great day!